Here we are guys to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the weekly candle here, it just closed today, and the Bitcoin candle here or the weekly candle here, what it giving us, if you're looking with me, it give us here a pin bar or a hammer. The tail of it is it down here in the 200 moving average. So everything's still looking fine at this time when also recording that video, because that hammer here, it can react like a bullish sign or a bearish sign. I'm going to explain everything, of course, because as you see it here, it react like a bullish sign. Same thing, it's applying even here. We're going to see here a red candle next to the green candle here, and that one going to indicate maybe the Bitcoin going to dump from here. So what is it, the view based on all those things here in the weekly? Here in the weekly, guys, we don't got nothing yet confirmed, because as I told you before, in the weekly that the bear market downtrend, as you see it in front of you, that's meant for us to enter a long base on the break of that downtrend here. It's need at least the market to break 68k, between 68k till 70k, and the one also still far away from it. Based on that, it means technically also we're still in a downtrend here in the weekly. By the way guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. That of course if you want to support us. So we go back here guys, as we said, we need that downtrend here to be broke. That one here is very important to be broke for us to know the bear market it finished. If it doesn't, there is nothing yet guys. We add here the 20 and the 50. The 20 it's still far away a little bit. Is it exactly at 69k? So when if we break in that 20k, that the downtrend of the bear market also we're talking about guys, as you see it here. So that one number one. Number two, the 50 moving average here, he crossed below the 100 moving average in the weekly guys, and that one is a major cross here. But if we came here and we show you here some technical analysis here, what we got guys, we came to that low here, that one here, let me show you, of 2022 or 23, and that last high here, which is exactly at September 2025 guys, that one here, and we're connecting them by a Fibonacci retracement like that guys. What you see, let me explain to you very well those things. You see that one 0.50, and that one here where we bounced that 0.61, that the golden zone guys, as you see it in front of you. So technically, based on technical analysis, always the market it reverses from the golden zone. The only thing, if we go back to the history of Bitcoin, it always the Bitcoin it recover from that zone here, 0.78 guys. The one where is in the history of Bitcoin, that where it used to be recovering from. Now the question, did the Bitcoin going to fall down to 39k, that where is that 0.78k, or that golden zone where we are 58k to 71k, that one where we are at the bottom guys? That's what the days they are going to prove to us, because the all the things I can't tell you. But guys, if we break in here that zone here of 58k, the next stop guys is it down here at 39k, that where you need to put pending orders. You can put some here at 47k, but me personally, I'm waiting all at 50k. I'm going to start buying very heavy guys, and may I tell it to you, from now till the Q4 guys, try to buy as much as possible from today. That means from July till the end of Q4 guys. Try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin based on our indicators here in the weekly. What we got? Our indicators guys, we got here MACD here, it's staying here in a downtrend. We got here a bullish divergence. We showed it to you before, that one here in the weekly. It's telling us maybe the market going to recover, but guys, till now we staying here. If you remember that divergence downtrend here in that RSI, let me zoom it a little bit for you to understand what else we're talking about. As you see guys here, we got that divergence downtrend here as you said, and that one till now haven't been broke. Until now also we staying only in a zone where is the bears they controlling. So technically the market is staying here only in a downtrend. So I think I explained everything here in the weekly. By the way, the weekly is only for long term. If you are a long term investor and you want the exact right time when also we buy levels, everything, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon, guys. We got 3 tires. By the way, there is a discount running now, guys, till 13. That's when it doesn't left for it a lot. It's only 2-3 days, or maybe today is the last day. I'm sorry because I haven't looked at the calendar now. The 3 tires, guys, the VIP member, you're going to get only the cryptocurrency signals as we offer. The elite, we extend, or if you want to extend to the gold, the silver, the SP500, and the auto flow, that one is something so special, guys. To read about it, that our website, you need to go to it, or you can find it in the description of that video. Then you're going to find in the top of the menu auto flow. Click at it, and over there you can read everything about the auto flow, guys, or you can type in Google Thomas Boleto auto flow. If you want to ask me more questions, that my Discord, guys, you can contact me here and I'm going to reply all your questions. If you want to join us, very simple and easy, click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, the coming news for all the week. Monday we don't got anything special. Tuesday, what we got, as you see that Tuesday, guys, Tuesday we got the CPI or inflation data of USA, as you see it in front of you, and that one is very, very, very important, guys. It's going to tell you the inflation data, how is it and where it's going. Then Wednesday, what we got, we staying or we remaining in inflation data. We got PPI, as you see it, Bank of Canada interest rate, crude oil inventory. Thursday, what we got, guys, as you see it, same thing. We got the GDP of UK, retail sales of USA, core retail sales, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing, and initial jobless claim. We go back a little bit here. Our friend here, the VIX, guys, as you see it, 15.03. That's not fair. And scarcity is stable. There is nothing to be worried about. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in daily. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin here in the daily. Here Bitcoin in daily, it's staying fighting here till now, couldn't break that last high here of 64k 500. Till now we couldn't break it, guys. Why? Because that one here, if you're looking at it as support getting broke, it's become a resistance, and that's what also we're facing here, and that's what Bitcoin is facing now. Then we are going to break it, because if we add in here the 50 moving average, guys, what you see in here, we just touched the 50 moving average. So technically maybe the market going to dump again to test that 20 moving average, which is exactly at 61,900. Did that going to happen? We need to see, guys, because if we dump from here to that 61,900, the market is going to give us here a double top or a M like that, and that's going to indicate that the top, guys, and maybe we're going to see the market dumping again below that 58k. Everything is possible, guys. We'll show you even another thing here. We told you, guys, the market here try to give us here like a triangle or a wedge, name it whatever you want. And that one, if we break it above here, we're going to see that market do it like that, pumping. If not, guys, and the market from here dumping to the low here, closer to 56k, that's another very bad scenario, guys. And maybe we're going to see that market dumping more than that. So I think I explained everything here in daily. Now let me show you the Bitcoin option levels, because us every weekend we do it for you. The past 2 days we haven't do it, so we need to do it today. Let me go to show you the Bitcoin option, guys. There we are, guys, that the Bitcoin option or the range for last week we give you here. We told you 66k and 58k, and look at where we close, guys. We close at 63k or 64k. Now, if we go to find the levels for that week, let's go into that page web. There we are, guys. As you see, the coming Friday is going to be 17 of month 7 or July. So now, as every time we try to find the levels for pots, the level for calls, and we start from in the money as every day as we do it. So let's do that together. There we are, guys. We found the level here, which is exactly at 58k. The number of pots 20 Bitcoin here. The number of calls 0. The total volume there $1.32 million. So that one, the first level of us. Now let's find the level for calls, guys. Here we are, guys. We found the level for calls here, which is exactly at 67k. The number of pods 0. The number of calls here 13 Bitcoin. The total volume here 869k, guys. So that one, the two levels, as we said, 58k and 67k. Now let's go into the chart to draw in the two levels together. There we are, guys. We set the top level here, 67k, like that, and the down level, we don't need to move it, is going to remain the same at 58k. So as you see, guys, that one here also, we are too close to it. So what it's telling us maybe the market is going to fall down to that 61k. Also, we just show you where is the 20 moving average in daily. So that based on the Bitcoin option here, now it's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys, at the Ethereum here in 4 hours. The Ethereum, same thing as also we told you before. We still inside the range of that triangle here. Until now, the market tried to break it, but no power, guys. Now, what is it the view? Did the Ethereum going to do like that? And from here to dump again to test here the low of that triangle or wage or name it, whatever you want, my friend. Names doesn't matter how you can catch that shot if it's going to happen. Very simple and easy. You connected those dots like that. You see how I draw that uptrend here. And if any candle close below that uptrend, you can catch a short. If you are a newbie and you don't know what else we're talking about, you need to watch our technical analysis course. You can find the link of it down, or you go to our website and you see our Udemy courses over there. You're going to find the link for that course. It's going to explain to you everything, how to catch signals and those things that if you want to learn by live examples, every time where else we enter, where we put stop loss and those things, because that one, it's need practice, guys. We're going to give you theory, but you need practice. You can join our VIP Discord, that of course, if you are interested. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin here in 4 hours. The Bitcoin here in 4 hours, also we show you before. You remember what else we show you? We show you here that head and shoulder, guys, like that. That the head and shoulder also we show you before. If you remember, it was in the top mile of one of our videos. Till now, we haven't broken the neckline of it, guys, so there is no long base on that head and shoulder here. The other thing we can make here is that one here, that uptrend here. Till now, also we are in the border of it. That means if a 4 hour candle close below that uptrend here, we need to catch a short, guys, like that. So I give you for long and for short here. Our indicators, what we got here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys, we got a lot of things here. Number one, we got a bearish divergence, guys. If you're looking with me here, that a bearish divergence here. So guys, be careful. Even here in the MACD, it's more clear here in the MACD if you see it here compared to here, guys. So we got a bearish divergence. The MACD cross below here, and that's where also we told you maybe we are going to dump to 61k, guys. So be careful. If you don't know what to do, we told you, welcome to the family. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video. Now we're going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. The Bitcoin here in 30 minutes, is it stuck between that two moving averages here at 100 and the 200 moving average. If we came here and we take it off like that, what we got, guys? We got here like a bullish flag, or you can name it a bullish pennant like that. Let me draw it more clear, which is like that, guys. And the one here, it's a pennant that, man, if it's getting broke here, we need to catch along, guys, like that. That if it's breaking above, for sure, guys, what we got here, if it's getting broke down here, it's going to give us here a triple top. Let me show you those things, what I'm talking about here. If you're looking with me here, we got a very clear triple top, guys. You see that one here, that the second, and here the third one. And if we break it lower here, we're going to see that market dumping like that, guys. So I give you for long and I give you for short, that the rest you need to do it. If you don't know what to do, we told you, welcome to the family. So I think I explained everything, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.